How to redeem product code in EA app. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code in Pipa, whether you're using the EA application or not. The process is really simple, so just go ahead and launch it. You will see a list of options and one of them is redeem code. Click on that and then type in your code. If you bought the code online, it will be in a confirmation email. And if you bought a physical copy, check the inside label of the box. So just enter the code in the designated area. You can also use this method to help your friends redeem gift cards or codes. It's especially useful if you can't buy something online with your credit card because you're young and you bought it from a store instead. You can just redeem the code here. This lets you add the game to your account and start playing as if you bought it through the EA app with your bank account. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.